Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, let's continue the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And remember, this is 11th period of this chapter. In 10th period, you all know that we were solving the problems in exercise 3.6, right? In first main, total 8 were there and all are solved. Then in second main, it is completely related to statement problems. In that, the very first one, the redo problem, right? And even I had given you the hint to solve this. I hope that most of you might have solved it. Anyhow, once you listen my explanation and observe the board to check whether your answer is right or not. Okay. Now let me read the statement again. It is 3.6, second main, in that first sub question. It is like this. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So here you are going to find out the speed of a rowing in still water. We do not know that. Let us assume. Let the speed of rowing in still water. Let us take this as x kilometer per hour, because here the distance has been given in kilometer and time has been given in hour. Similarly, we are also going to find out the speed of current, nothing but speed of stream, also called the flow of water. Here I write the speed of stream. This is equal to y kilometer per hour. Now, let's go for calculation. And here, what is our speed in upstream and downstream? We should come to know both of these. Here I write speed of rowing in downstream. How much? Here, running water speed is y kilometer per hour. In stagnant water, speed of rowing is x kilometer. So, speed of rowing in downstream. So, both will be added. We can write it as x plus y kilometer per hour. Yesterday only I had given you the example by taking, imagine a person is swimming in the running water and he will also swim against the running water. In both the cases, we came to know how to take the speed. Here also. Next, speed of rowing in upstream. If it is possible to move in upstream, if and only if the speed of the rowing in still water, whatever x is taken, if it is more than that of speed of stream, right? Hence, we can write x minus y kilometer per hour. And we all know that this problem is related to speed. Hence, we can write speed is equal to distance by time. This can also be written as time is equal to distance by speed. Here they are given two cases. Let's move on to both the cases. First case, what has been given? Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in just 2 hours only. See that time has been given 2 hours. So time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? 20 kilometer. What about the speed of rowing in downstream? It is x plus y. See the distance by speed is nothing but time. Time is how much? 2. We can write it as like this. 20 by x plus y is equal to 2. Now you can cancel here. 2 ones are 2 10s are. and we will rewrite this as 10 by x plus y is equal to 2. Then, sorry, it is 1. Then go for cross multiplication. Here I will write x plus y into 1 is x plus y. That's equal to 10. You may call it as equation 1. Hope that you have understood. Now let's move on to case 2. What has been given in case 2? Check that. It is Ritu can row upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Ritu can row upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. In 2 hours, she can row just 4 kilometers in upstream. So distance it is 4, and what about the speed in upstream? It is x minus y. Time. Distance by speed is time. The time is 2 hours. Now cancel it. 1s are 2s are. We can write it as x minus y is equal to 2. You may call it as equation 2. Clear? Now let us go for solving equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 10, and equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 2. Get cancelled. X and x, it is 2x, 10 plus 2, it is 12. X is equal to 6. We got x. What does x indicate? It is the speed of rowing in still water. We should also find out the speed of the stream. Hence we need y. So substitute x equal to 6 in any one of the two equations. I'll go for first equation. First equation is x plus y equal to 10, where x is 6. 6 plus y equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 6. Y is equal to, it is 4. Clear? Now, let me go for writing the conclusion. Therefore, the speed of rowing in still water is, it is 6 km per hour, and the speed of the stream is how much? Yes, you are right. This is 4 km per hour. Hope that you might have got the same answer. Once you check that, if it is not correct, please go for copying from there to here. I'll go for taking next one. Dear students, please go through second one. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, also the time taken by 1 man alone. Yeah. Shall we go for solving it? Yes. And you should go on copying with me, so that pausing the video, first you copy this statement complete. Yes. Hope that you have copied. Yes. Start writing with me. First let us write data. You just go through the last sentence what we are going to find. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the entire work. Similarly, the time taken by 1 man alone. Both are unknown. Hence, let's go for taking like this. Let, please write with me. Let the number of days taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work. This is equal to, yes, there are x number of days. Similarly, the number of days, please write with me, number of days taken by 1 man alone to finish the work, to finish that embroidery work. You may call it as y. Here, Now let's move on to calculation. First, here they are given 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Total 4 days. Let us go for considering for 1 day. Now you observe it. Total number of days taken by one woman alone to finish the work is X. Then what amount of work is to be done by this one woman in 1 day? Yes, it is. If she has taken to finish, if she uses X number of days, 1 day it will be 1 by X. Very simple. If she is going to take total 10 days, out of that 1 day means it is 1 by 10. Here, same thing. Start writing it. One woman's 1 day's work. 1 day's work. That's equal to 1 by X. If 2 women are there, 2 by X. 3 women, 1 day's work is 3 by X. Like that. Now, similarly, start writing it. One man's, apostrophe S, one man's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by Y. Clear? Here they have given 2 cases. Let's go for taking both the cases. Case 1. What is that? Yeah, please write with me. 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days, right? This is the statement. Just we are going to consider for 1 day's work. What about 2 work is to be done by 2 women in 1 day? See, 1 woman's 1 day's work is 1 by X. 2 women's it is 2 by X. Plus 1 man's 1 day's work is 1 by Y. 5 men it is 5 by Y. Total 4 days, out of that just 1 day is to be taken. Clear? Yes. Now let's move on to case 2. Yes, please start writing with me. It is 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. See, 3 women and 6 men. Very simple. You can observe that as the number of workers increases, the number of days taken to finish the work decreases. Hence, then 3 women, 6 men can finish the work just in 3 days. Can finish the work in 3 days. Here. Yes. Now, 1 woman's 1 day's work, 1 by X. 3 women, 3 by X. Next, 1 man's 1 day's work, 1 by Y. Then 6 men, 6 by Y. Altogether, how many days? It is 3 days. Out of 3, just we are calculating for 1 day. Clear? Yes, we got 2 equations. Then how do you go for solving? By UV method, right? Let's go for assuming. Here I'll write. By UV method. Actually, this method has not been mentioned. For our reference only we have written. Write with me. Let what is to be taken as U. You are right. It is 1 by X. Here also 1 by X. Let 1 by X is equal to U. And what about V? V is 1 by Y. 1 by Y is equal to, it is V. Got it? Yes. Now let us go for converting the equations in terms of U and V. First equation can be written as, it is 2U plus 5V is equal to 1 by 4. Right? Now denominator 4 is there, just go for multiplying it. You will get, it is 8U plus 4 5s are 20V, this is equal to 1. You may call it as equation 1. Similarly, next, it is 3U plus 6v. This is equal to 1 by 3. Denominator 3 is there. Multiply 3 with all the terms. 3 3 is a 9. 9u plus 3 6 are 18v. This is equal to 1. May call it as equation 2. Now you are going to solve equation 1 and 2. By which method? Yes, obviously elimination method. So let us multiply equation 1 by 9, equation 2 by 8, because we have to eliminate first u. Here I'll write by elimination method. Elimination method. Right, start multiplying. 9 8s are 72u. 20 9s are, it is 180v. 9 1s are 9. Next, 8 9s are 72u. 8 18s are, 8 8s are 64. 6 is the carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 6. It is 14. 144. Next. Then 8 1s are 8. Now change the sign. Minus. It cancels. This is minus. It is minus. 180v minus 144v. It is 36v. Right? Then 9 minus 8. It is 1. So v is equal to 1 by 36. Next, we have to find out u. So substitute v is equal to 1 by 36 in any one of these two equations. Let's go for taking equation 2. Equation 2 is 9u plus 18v. This is equal to 1. Then 9u plus 18 into v is 1 by 36 is equal to 1. 1s are 2s are. Next, it is 9u is equal to, it is 9u plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So, I'll go for writing this. Hope that you might have copied. If not, you just copy from there to here. Yes. Now, you might have copied up to there. Let's continue. 9u is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. See, 1 by 2 is transferred to right hand side. Minus 1 by 2. 1 minus half is half only. It is 9u. You want u. U is 1 by 2. Then cross multiply 9. 9 2s are 18. We got both u and v values. Next, let's go for taking substitution. We all know that 1 by x is equal to u. 1 by x. What is u? 1 by 18. So x equal to 18. And 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by y is equal to, where v is, it is 1 by 36. So y is equal to 36. Clear? Hence we can write, see that women will take just 18 days. One woman will take just 18 days to finish the embroidery work. Whereas one man alone can finish the same work. It will take 36 days. Here I write. Therefore, the number of days taken by one woman alone, to finish the work, is 18, and one man alone takes 36 days to finish the same work. Yes. Hope that you might have written with me. Yes. If not, you just go for copying. Yes. Yes. Dear students, please go through third one. It is Ruhi travels 30 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. Another case, if she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Then find the speed of the train and the bus separately. It's very important statement. Now, you should go on writing with me. You just go for copying this one. And as it is important one, I am going to put double star mark. Copy the statement. Hope that you have copied. Now, once we should go through the given statement, after that, let's go for solving. While solving, you should keep on writing with me. See, Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. See, this is the total distance traveled by Ruhi. Write that first in data. Total distance traveled by Ruhi. How much? It is 300 km. And there are 2 cases. And another thing is, for covering this much distance, she will go for using train and bus as well. See, first, she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. And if she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. That is 4 hours, 10 minutes. So, find the speed of the train and bus. We do not know both of them. Let us assume. Right. Let the speed of the train, you may call it as, let it be x kilometer per hour. Then similarly, the speed of the bus, it is y kilometer per hour. Train is x kilometer per hour, bus is moving with the speed of y kilometer per hour. Let's go for taking both the cases. Case 1. Please go through this. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. Here I'll write. Distance covered by her. Distance covered by train. How much? 60 km. What is the total distance to be covered? It is 300. If she travels 60 km by train, what about the distance covered by her by using bus? It is 300 km minus 60. This is equal to 240 km. Then altogether, what is the total time taken? Total time taken. This is equal to 4 hours. 4 hours. Let us convert this into mathematical equation. See that. We all know that speed is equal to distance by time. Here time has been given. Hence T is equal to D by V. Distance by speed. See distance. First, time taken by Ruhi when she travels by train. It is 60 by, what is the speed of the train? It is x. 60 by x. Then distance covered by bus. It is 240 plus 240 divided by y. Altogether it is 4. Got it? Now observe, all the terms are the multiples of 4. Let us divide both sides by 4. Then 4 15s are. 4 1s are 4, 2 will remain 20, 4 5s are. So 15 by x. Then 4 6 are 24. 0 by y. That is 60 by y. It is equal to 1. Got it? Now, let's move on to case 2. Hope that you have written with me. In case 2, observe. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Here I'll write. Distance covered by train. Write with me. It is equal to 100 km. Then similarly, distance covered by bus, this is equal to 300 minus 100. It is equal to 200 km. What is the total time taken? Total time taken. Earlier, she had taken 4 hours. Now, this time 10 minutes longer. Hence, we can write 4 hours plus 10 minutes. 10 minutes can be written as 10 by 60 hour, right? It is 4 hour plus 10 minutes, 10 by 60 hour. Got it? Because 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hour. It is 4 plus 1 by 6. Then simplify this. You will get 6. Then 6 4s are 24 plus 1. It will be 25 by 6 hours. Now, let's move on to converting it into equation. Hope that you might have copied here, up to here. If not, you just copy from there to here. Now, hope that you might have copied up to here. Now, let's go for forming the equation. Equation is, see that. Here only I will write that. This is the time taken by Ruhi when she travels by train. It is distance by speed plus by bus. It is distance 200 by y. This is total time taken. It is 25 by 6. Now let's go on to calculation. Which method you will go for? Obviously, here the terms are in fraction. Hence, we can go for UV method. By UV method, how do you assume? Let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by x, convert this first statement into mathematical equation. It is 15u plus 60v. This is equal to 1. Call it as equation 1. Similarly, this one. 100u plus 200v is equal to 25 by 6. Observe, this is v. It is equal to 1. Call it as equation 1. And second equation, we are converting like this. And you can also notice that all the terms are the multiples of 25. Hence, let us divide both sides by 25. It will be 25 4s are 8s are, it is 1 by 6. Multiply 6. 6 4s are, it is 24u plus 6 8s are 48v. Then this is equal to 1. Call it as equation 2. Now, let us go for solving these two equations. Let's copy this. I'll go for rubbing them. Observe. How do you go for solving them? Yes, by elimination method or cross multiplication, substitution, whichever you want. By elimination method, now you equalize either coefficient of u or v. See, 60 here, 48 here, 15 and 24. These two are small numbers, you can go for that. See, the 24, when it is multiplied by 5, it will be 120. And 15, when it is multiplied by 8, 120. 15 8s are 120, 24 5s are 120. Yes, let's go for 15 8s are, it is 120u plus 6 8s are 48, 480v. This is equal to 8 1s are 8. Next, 24 5s are 120u plus 48 5s are, it is 240. 48 10s are 480, half of that 240v. This is equal to 1 5s are 5. Please go for changing the sign. This is minus minus minus. First term get cancelled. 480v minus 240v, it is 240v. 8 minus 5, this is 3. V is equal to 3 by 240. 1s are 8s are. V is equal to 1 by 8. Clear? Next, let's go for finding u. So, substitute V is equal to 1 by 80 in any one of the two equations. Which one we shall go for? I'll write first one. 15u plus 60v, this is equal to 1. 15u plus 60 into 1 by 80, it is equal to 1. 0, 0. It is 15u plus 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. It's equal to 1. It is 15u, this is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. Next, 15u, it is equal to, by taking LCM, or else 1 minus quarter to 1, it is quarter 1 by 4. Or else by taking LCM, 4, here 4 minus 3, again 1 by 4, same one. Then u is equal to 1 by 15 4s are 60. U is 1 by 60. Now we are going to find out the values of x and y. Here I'll write. Where 1 by x is u, 1 by x equal to, what is u? U is 1 by 60. Then x is equal to 60. What does x indicate? It is the speed of the train, right? Hope that you have written up to here with me. Next one. 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by y is equal to where v is. It is 1 by 80. Then y is equal to 80. What does y indicate? It is the speed of the bus, right? Hence, we can go for writing the conclusion as, therefore, the speed of train is 60 km per hour and the speed of bus is 80 km per hour. Clear? Yes, please go for copying from there to here. Yes, dear students, exercise number 3.6 has been completed. Now we are moving to exercise number 3.7. In bracket they have given asterisks and also star. The star indicates these exercises are not from the examination point of view, but they are very important to have the very good knowledge about this chapter. Hence, we will go for solving these questions also. What is that? Exercise 3.7 in bracket optionals. Yes, let me go for writing the first question. Dear students, please go through. The statement is very nice. I'll put star mark. See, the ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. Ani's father, Dharam, is twice as old as Ani, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. And the ages of Kathy and Dharam, differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Ani and Biju. Now, let's go for that. Yeah. Once you copy this question, afterwards you should keep on writing with me. Copy this. Hope that you have copied and start writing with me. Here, you are going to find out the ages of Ani and Biju. Do you know their ages? Unknown. So let us take, let the present age of Ani, let it be X years, and the present age of Biju, it is Y years. Clear? Now let's move on to the statement. What is that? The ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. Who is elder, Ani or Biju? We do not know them. Say, here I'll write. The ages of Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Let us convert this into equation. It may be x minus y equal to 3, or even it may be y minus x equal to 3. Nothing but minus x plus y equal to 3. These are the two possibilities. And they are given Ani's father Dharam is twice old as Ani. Here I will write Dharam's age is how much? Twice old as Ani. Ani's age is x. Twice of that means 2x. Yes. Next. And Biju is twice old as his sister Kathy. But we do not know the age of Kathy. Hence, I'll write Kathy's age. How much? If Biju is twice of Kathy, and Kathy will be half of Biju's age. So Biju's age is y, half of that. It is y by 2 years. Clear? Yes. Now, we have one more statement. What is that? The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Here I will write ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by how much? 30 years. Obviously, Dharam is elder than Kathy, because Kathy is Biju's sister. Biju is Ani's friend. Ani is the daughter of Dharam. Okay, here I will write Dharam's age is 2x. Kathy's age y by 2. It's equal to how much? 30 years. You can go for multiplying 2 with all the terms. It is 2x minus y is equal to 60. Because in the denominator 2 is there. So this denominator is multiplied with all the terms. 2 2s are 4. 4x. Here multiply 2. 2 get cancelled, minus y. Here multiply by 2. It will be 2 30s are 60. Clear? Now here we have two cases. Case 1, x minus y equal to 3. And case 2 is y minus x equal to 3. Let us go for solving them. Here I will write in calculation case 1. What is that? First, x minus y equal to 3. You may call this as equation 1. Now second equation, 4x minus y is equal to 60. It is equation 2. Go for solving. Here minus plus minus get cancelled. It is minus 3x, 3 minus 60, it is minus 57, x equal to minus minus get cancelled, 57 by 3, x equal to how much it will be? 3 1s are 3, 2 will remain, 27, 3 9s are, x equal to 90. Hope that you have understood. We want y value. Substitute x equal to 90 in any one of these two equations. I will go for first equation. First equation is x minus y equal to 3, x minus 19 equal to 3, x equal to 22. Clear? Now observe that. You are going to find out the value of y. X minus y equal to 3. Then x is 19. 19 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 19. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 19 is minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 16. What does x indicate? Ani's age. Y indicate Biju's age. So here I write. Therefore, Ani's present age is 19 years and Biju's age is 16 years. Clear? Okay, we have one more case. Even it may be here Ani is elder than Biju. Even there may be Biju is elder than Ani. I'll go for taking that. Case 2. Case 2. What is that? It is y minus x equal to 3. Y minus x. It is nothing but minus x plus y equal to 3. Here okay. Minus x plus y equal to 3. You may call this as equation 1. And another equation is, second equation. It is 4x minus y equal to 16. 4x minus y equal to 16. Call it as 2. See, no need to change the sign. Directly we can go for cancelling. Minus x plus 4x. It is 3x. It is 63. X equal to 21. Now substitute x equal to 21 in 1. Then minus x plus y is equal to 3. Then x is 21 plus y equal to 3. Y is equal to 24. Here I write. Therefore, Ani's present age. When Ani's present age is how much? 21 years. Then Biju's age will be, Biju's age is 24 years. See the difference of the age? 24 and minus 21, 3 years. Here, right? It is years. And this is 24 years. Here you can observe that 19 and 16. What is the difference of the age? 3. They are given. The ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, is 3. Got it? Yes. Please go for copying. If not copy, yes. Yes. Dear students, go through second one. This is also very nice statement and important one. I have put double star mark. Go through this. One says, give me 100, friend. This one friend will ask another friend to give 100 rupees. Give me 100, friend. I shall then become twice as rich as you. Then other replies. The second friend will reply to first one. If you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Then tell me what is the amount of their capital. Do you know? And this problem has been taken from Bijaganita of Bhaskara II. Bijaganita, it is nothing but algebra. Okay, it is a Sanskrit name for algebra. Yes, please go for copying this, then you can start writing with me. Hope that you have copied, and now you have to start writing with me. Write data. Please go through what we are going to find out. The amount of their capital. How many friends are there? 2 friends. Let us call these friends as A and B. Here are right. Let the 2 friends be A and B. These are the 2 friends. What is the amount with A? Yeah, we do not know. You may call that as rupees X. Here I write. Capital amount with A, call it as rupees X. Similarly, capital amount with second friend, that is B, it is rupees Y. Here okay, rupees X and Y. Now let's move on to the given statement. What is that? See that. Here, first friend A will ask, give me 100, then I will become twice as rich as you. Here, right, when A asks rupees 100 rupees to B. Now, okay, amount with A will be, here all right, amount with A, it will be, at present X is there, then he takes 100 rupees from B, so it will be minus 100, sorry, plus 100 rupees, X plus 100. Similarly, amount with B, what happens when B gives 100 rupees to A, so he has Y rupees and he lost 100 rupees, that is, he has given 100 rupees to A, hence it will be Y minus 100. See that, give me 100, then I shall then become twice as rich as you. A becomes twice as rich as B. Then what is the amount with A? It is X plus 100. 2 into with B, it is Y minus 100. It is X plus 100 is equal to, multiply, 2Y minus 200. Clear? Next, transfer 2Y to the left hand side. It is X minus 2Y. This is equal to, it is minus 200 plus, sorry, transfer 100 to the right hand side, minus 100. Then X minus 2Y is equal to minus 300. You may call it as equation 1. Now let's move on to another statement. Hope that you have copied up to here. In another statement, B will ask, B will tell that, give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. So when B asks rupees 10 from A, 10 from A. Observe it. What is the amount with A? How much it will be? He has X rupees. If he gives 10 rupees to B, then amount with him will be X minus 10. Clear? Then amount with B, B has taken 10 rupees from A. So amount with him is Y plus 10. Clear? Then he will tell that, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. That is, B equal to 6A. B is Y plus 10 equal to 6 into A is X minus 10. It is Y plus 10 is equal to 6X minus 60. Then transfer Y to the right hand side, minus 60 to the left hand side. It is 10 plus 60 is equal to 6X minus Y. It is 6X minus Y is equal to 70. You may call it as equation 2. Now, let us go for solving these two. Hope that you might have copied. How do you go for? Let us by elimination method. By elimination method. See that. Writing it is very easy, but formal writing we have written this much. You can write both the equations directly in this way. See that. If I just go for telling you how to write the equations in the easiest way. Give me 100 friend then I shall then become twice as rich as you. That is, x, A will take 100 rupees, x plus 100 is equal to, then it becomes twice, 2 into y minus 100. See that same here, x plus 100 is equal to 2 into y minus 100. Second case, B will ask, if you give me 10, then y plus 10, it is equal to, I shall become 6 times as rich as you. 6 into x minus 10. I'm sorry, y plus 10 equal to x minus 10. Like this. Now, let us solve these by elimination method. And let's go for equalizing the coefficient of y. Here 2 is there, hence I am multiplying second equation by 2. It is x minus 2y is equal to minus 300. Then this is 6x, multiply by 2. 2 6 are 12. 12x minus 2 into y, 2y, this is equal to 72s are, it is 140. Change the sign, minus plus minus. These two get cancelled. X minus 12x minus 11x is equal to minus 300 minus 140 minus 440. Minus minus get cancelled. X equal to 440 by 11. X equal to 11 4s are, then 0. X equal to 40. Next, substitute x equal to 40 in any one of the two equations, either in equation 1 or in 2, and go for second equation. It is, second equation is 6x minus y is equal to 70. 6 into, where x is 40, minus y is equal to 70. 46 are, 6 4s are 24, 240, minus 70. Transfer minus y to the right hand side, becomes plus y. 240 minus 70, it is 170 is equal to y, or y is equal to 170. So therefore you can write the capital amount with A is rupees 40 and B is rupees 170. Clear? Yes. Hope that you might have copied with me. If not, once you go for writing from there to here. Yeah. Please go through the statement. It is also very important statement. Hence, I have put 3 star marks. Once you go through this, a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Got it? Yes. Let's go for solving. You have to copy this. After that, you should write the solution with me. Hope that you have written. Observe the last sentence in which we can come to know what we are going to find. Find the distance covered by the train. Do you know what is the distance covered? We do not know. Will you take that as x? Here it is not quite suitable. The reason is, here they have given the speed as well as time. You are going to find out distance. There is a relationship among all these. What is that? It is v is equal to d by t, and where distance is equal to v into t. Right? Now, distance depends on speed and time taken by the train. Are they known? Both are unknown. Hence, let us go for assuming these two. It will be easier. Here, if two physical quantities were given, then we would have taken one as x and another one as y. But here is only one which depends on 2. Hence let us assume that let us take x and y for these two. Please write with me. Data. What is that? V. It is the uniform speed. Here I write. Let the uniform speed of the train. Uniform speed of the train. It is equal to x kilometer per hour. Right? Then what is the time taken or time for which it travels or the time to cover some distance? You may call that as y. Here on it. And the time taken, it is equal to y hours. Clear? Then the distance travelled can be written as d is equal to vt. Please write it. We know that. Copy this. V is equal to d by t and d is equal to vt. Next. Written on. Right. Distance covered. Distance covered by the train is equal to v into t. Speed is x, t is y. It is xy kilometer. So this much is the information. Now we will move on to the actual statement. See that there are two cases. In first case, if the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, then actual speed is x kilometer per hour. If 10 km per hour is more, then what is the net speed? It will be x plus 10. Then it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. Right? So here I'll write case 1. Write with me. When the speed of the train is equal to 10 km per hour. Actual speed x plus 10. X plus 10 kilometer per hour. Then it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. What is the scheduled time? It is y hours. So 2 hours less. As the speed increases, the time taken will be decreased. Right? Here are the time taken. This is equal to scheduled time is y. In that 2 hours will be reduced. Y minus 2 hours. Clear? Huh? Then if it is so, if the speed is this much and time is this much, what about the distance? Distance covered is equal to x plus 10 into y minus 2. Did you understand? See, it has increased the speed and decreased the time, but the distance covered is same. Hence, we can go for equating these two. Here I'll write. Please keep observing. X plus 10 into y minus 2. This is the distance covered is equal to xy. Hope that you have understood. Next, multiply. X with both the terms, 10 with both the terms. X into y, xy. X into 2, 2x. 10 into y, 10y. And 10 into minus 2, minus 20 is equal to xy. Xy get cancelled. Now minus 2x plus 10y is equal to, transfer minus 20 to the right hand side becomes plus 20. Here all the terms are the multiples of 2. Hence start dividing both sides by 2. This will be, it is minus x plus 5y is equal to 10. Call it as equation 1. Now, case 2. This is case 1. What is that case 2? Here it has been given that if the train was slower by 10 km per hour, then as the speed decreases, what about the time taken? Obviously, it increases. What is that? It would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Here I write. When the speed of the train is slower by 10 means x minus 10 kilometer per hour. Then what about the time taken? As the speed decreases, the time obviously increases by 3 hours. It is scheduled time is y. It is increased by 3 hours. Y plus 3 hours. Then what about the distance covered? Distance covered is equal to x minus 10 into y plus 3 kilometer. And this distance is equal to xy. Let us write that. X minus 10 into y plus 3 is equal to xy. Multiply. X with both, minus 10 with both. Xy plus 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to xy. Xy get cancelled. Then 3x minus 10y is equal to 30. You may call it as equation 2. Understood? Now let us go for solving these two equations by which method? Elimination method. Here I'll write. By elimination method. Observe. Here minus x plus 5y equal to 10. Then 3x minus 10y equal to 30. Hence, to equalize the coefficient of x, I will go for multiplying equation 1 by 3 because here is 3. Now we can write the first equation as minus 3x plus 3 into 5, 15y, this is equal to 10 3s are 30. Next, here 3x minus 10y is equal to 30. Now, no need to change the sign because coefficient of x is equal but opposite in sign. They get cancelled. 15 minus 10, it is 5y. 30 plus 30, 60. Y is equal to, it is 12. Now, let's go for finding x. So, substitute y is equal to 12 in 1. Equation 1 is minus x plus 5y is equal to 10 minus x plus 5 into y is 12 equal to 10 minus x 12 5s are 60 is equal to 10 minus x is equal to 10 minus 60 minus x equal to minus 50 x equal to 50. Clear? But what we are going to find out? Distance covered. Distance covered is nothing but x into y. Here I will write. Distance is equal to x into y, where x is 50, y is 12. 12 5s are 60, so 600. This much kilometer. Therefore, the distance covered by the train is 600 kilometers. Did you understand? Yes. Please go for copying from here to there. Dear students, hope that you have written, and still we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. With that, let's go for taking some of the additional problems which have been asked in the examination as well. So let us go for that in tomorrow's class. Okay. Today, let's go for conclude the class. Before that, I remind you, whatever the problems we have solved today, all are statement problems. They are important. Please work out them today itself. Okay. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.